In this video, we're going to discuss about using set builder notation to prove the equality of sets. So last time diniscuss natin yung STR or set theory rules, yung truth table technique, and yung element argument. So proving by element argument. So this time we're going to use set notation. Okay, so let's say we have number 1. Let's prove A intersection B complement equals A complement union B complement. So dito, ito yung De Morgan's, no? Ipoprove natin siya by using set notation. So ang gagawin ko, let's say, yung left side, gagamitin ko yung mga diniscuss natin definition, ipapakita ko yung right side na equation. Or it's up to you kung gusto mong gamitin yung right side and then pakita mo yung left side. Okay, so let's have a proof. For our proof, we have A intersection B complement. So ano yung definition niyan? By definition of complement of sets, so this is equal to X such that X is element of U and X is not an element of A intersection B by definition of complement. Okay, so kaya siya tinawag na by using set notation or set builder notation, no? Kasi dito tayo gagalaw sa loob ng set notation. Okay? Now, as you can see, yung X daw ay hindi element ng A intersection B. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin, kung sa ibang term, no? That means, it is not X element of A intersection B. Okay, so pwede natin gawing this is equal to X such that X element of U and this is not X element of A intersection B. Tama? Okay, so pwede natin siyang sabihin na ganyan. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya element, ibig sabihin, hindi siya ganito. It is not the case that X is element of A intersection B. Okay? This is the definition of not an element. Now, we can also use the definition of intersection here. So this will become X such that X element of U and not X element of A and X element of B by definition of intersection. Okay? So, pwede natin gamitin yung De Morgan's from rules of replacement. So, this is equal to X such that X element of U and not X. No. Hindi siya not X. Okay, so wag malito sa part na yun. So, pag dinistribute ko, hindi ko siya gagawing not X. Yung buo, yung tinutukoy. So, meaning, ang gagawin ko, not X element of A or not X element of B using De Morgan's. Okay? By DM ng RR. Okay. So, ano ibig sabihin? Kung not X element of A, tapos not X element of B. That means, X such that X element of U, and this is, X is not an element of A. Kasi, hindi siya X element of A. Kung hindi siya X element of A, that means X is not an element of A. Okay? Or, X is not an element of B. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng grouping symbol, no, para hindi tayo malito. Okay, yan. Nakalimutan ko lagyan. Definition of complement. Pero wag na natin ilagay kasi hindi natin siya formally defined. Okay, so next. So, pwede tayong mag-distribute dito using distributivity ng rules of replacement. So, this will become x such that ito ay magiging x element of U and x is not an element of A, or x element of U and x is not an element of B by distribution ng rules of replacement. Okay? And we can also use definition of complement, x element of U and x is not an element of A. Ano ibig sabihin nun? X is element of A complement. Okay? So, ganun din dito, or x element of B complement. By definition of complement. And the last one, we can use the definition of union. So, magiging A complement, union, B complement. By definition of union. By definition of union. So, yun na yung ating answer. So, napakita na natin yung nasa right side. Okay, so let's have another example. Number 2. Let's try to prove the power set of A intersection B is equal to the power set of A intersection power set of B. Okay, so let's try this one. So for our proof, gagamitin ko yung left side, papakita ko yung right side. So power set A intersection B, by definition of power set, that means capital X, that means ito ay isang set. X is a subset of A intersection B. Okay, by definition of power set. Next, this is equal to, we can use definition of intersection, so this is equal to X such that X is a subset of A and X is a subset of B. By definition of intersection. Ayan. Now, kung yung X ay subset ni A at yung X yung subset ni B, we can also use definition of power set. Okay, so this is also X such that X is element of the power set of A and X is element of power set of B. Definition ulit ng power set. And again, we can use the definition of intersection, so that means the power set of A intersection power set of B. Okay? So, parang sinortcut natin talaga. Gawin muna natin. Yan, para hindi siya shortcut. So, gawin natin X such that X is element of power set of A intersection power set of B. By definition of intersection. And that equals power set. So, back natin sa power set. Power set of A intersection power set of B. Okay? So, yan. Para siyang ano lang din, no? Para lang siyang by element argument, pero doon tayo gumagalaw sa loob ng set notation. Okay?